gains. Beans need much more time. Catch one bean and check it. Oh, that bean is really hard to catch, you know, just... Oh, again. Where's that bean? Okay, I have it, finally I have it. It's being easily cooked and just means it's done. It's boiled, but a little milk. It's very good. It's in homemade and just natural, fresh, healthy and tasty, and very good guys. Oh my god. It's really very good. This is what eating Vikings, and this is from where this energy source. And be strong. Try, it's very tasty and very good guys. It is that old saying, if animal eat that food, it's really natural, tasty and really good. Yes, Rocky, you like it? For these reasons, give your food taste animal. If him eat, then probably it's good. Yes, Rocky, him going to eat.